Hey guys, I'm Daniel from Concertech, and this is the Logitech Slim Folio Bluetooth case for the iPad. So, this is the Slim Folio case for the iPad. Let's open it up. Nice presentation. I already have been using this as my iPad keyboard for like a month now, but I thought I have the box, why not just redo it, you know? So, we'll just open this up. So it shows the different buttons the top bar does, essentially your FN keys, but these are called your iPad controls at your fingertip. They're just called your iPad shortcuts. So you have the battery, you have the Bluetooth pairing, lock screen, your volume controls, your media controls, your on-screen keyboard, your keyboard language / emojis, your search bar, which basically is when you're at a home button and you swipe down, your Siri, and your home button. This is for the iPad 9.7 inch, the 5th gen and the 6th gen. This is some paperwork, it's whatever. Nice magnetic cable, by the way. This is the back side if you guys are worried about that. So, nice woven almost material here. Nice side profile, looks very, very clean in my opinion. Just the hinge, the kind of hinge, power button, volume button, and then the stylus holder. So we open it up. That's where the iPad goes. And it just magnetically connects like so. So I will grab my iPad. And this is the 5th gen iPad that I will be using right now. Just open to, right now, the generic Notes app. So it just goes in like that. Easy peasy. It's already connected, but when you're just starting it up, you connect it, and it already goes into pairing mode. It turns on instantly. If you can get that LED right there. See, it just turned off. So that LED just turns on and off depending on where when you connect. So like when I go like this, it just connects, gets back on again. The batteries are right here. They're just cheap watch batteries, still there. I think there's 4 of them in there. So typing with this iPad, it's, pretty generic, very tactile clicking noise, which I really like. Not that, that's my chair. Arrow keys, which is very nice plus. Like I said, the home button, all these other buttons. And let's just type something really quick. Now, as I'm typing with this, I'm used to a laptop. The short, because it's smaller, right? Because it's only an iPad. It's very easy to get used to. And as you can tell, I can type. And what's really nice is it has all these shortcuts right here that you can, in your Notes app, like all your suggested words, your 3 words that you always used to get, it's still there, just above the keyboard now. You can change your font size and all that right here. You can grab a, what do you call these things? Chart. You can grab a chart here. Just kind of like this. Delete it. You have your undo, your redo, your paste. And then, of course, you have your checklist, you have your camera, and you have your markup. All instantly right there. Perfect to use. Now, what I think that this is very useful for is mainly just to do multitasking. So you take up the dock, right? And you go into, say, Safari, right? Now you go into Safari and you just, I don't know, cars, I don't know. You go into Safari and you find all this stuff. Now what the keyboard is useful for is, say I'm doing a research project on this Cars. So this like on the Cars movie. I've noticed, oh, there's some stuff here. Sick. Write down your notes here. And it doesn't take up any of that keyboard space like it used to. Like if you disconnect it, right? It has this like really gross, just it takes up half the screen, this keyboard. Now yes, you can use it fine, but you don't have your information anymore. This way, you have your full info here, you have your full notes here, everything is perfect. The price is $129. Considering that if you get an iPad Pro, the price of those are like, I think they're 200 bucks. I don't know for sure. I'll put it on screen now. Now, the price of this is only $129. That's really cheap, and it works for, like I said, 6th gen, which this is a 5th gen, so it's 2017, all the way down to 2017 iPad, which is pretty great. Now, I've already showed how this keyboard works with iPadOS, which is their new operating system for Apple. It's the new, it basically moved away from iOS, which is iPhone OS, which is great. You can do so much more stuff. Like this browser now is all desktop browser, which is nice. And you have mouse support, which is a very, very nice feature. As you can tell, I have my Logitech mouse. I won't do a review on this. I mean, it's just a mouse. It doesn't really matter. But you connect it via the assistive touch. Now, my big complaint about the assistive touch. Apple, what the heck is this white dot or blue dot or whatever color you make it? Just make it a regular Mac cursor. It's perfect for this. Not this dot. I mean, I know they were trying to probably make it safe and like just in case they were seeing, oh, do people use the mouse? But yes, people want to use mouse. I mean, it works very well. I mean, works like a normal mouse would. You can click on to websites, go to Chevrolet website, whatever you want to do, right? So it works like a mouse. The only thing is right click gives you all these, just like that dot that you have. If you don't have a mouse connected, you have that dot that people use when you don't have a home button, and that's where the mouse has gone so far. So I mean, yeah. So yeah, it's good typing experience. Mouse support's great. iPadOS works flawlessly with this setup. And yeah, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like, and leave a comment below to see how I did, or any questions you have that I've not answered in this video.